So beautiful people, this is homemade chicken. Okay, we use oven. Okay, share this video with your family, your friend. Subscribe for more video like this. Okay, so thank you very much. Subscribe. You can hear the sound of the chicken. Subscribe. Mwah. Mwah. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for clicking for this video. In this video I will be showing you how I prepare my chicken, so without oil. So I will be using oven to do it. Okay, so these are my ingredients. This is nutmeg, salt. This is my milk. This is my ginger with garlic. This is my baking powder, sugar. This is my flour and my butter. So I'll be showing you. I enjoy this video. Kindly share this video with your friend and family. Subscribe. Okay, so this is my flour. So beautiful people, this is my flour. Okay, so I want to pour the salt. This is baking powder. Okay, baking powder, nutmeg. I'm going to add small sugar to this, as you see. So I want to add the milk. This is my ginger with garlic. This is my butter. I will be using my hand to turn it very well. So beautiful people, I want to add small water to this. So beautiful people, I will be using my rolling pin to do this flour. Okay. So beautiful people, as you see, so beautiful people, I will be using my hand to do it like this. Okay, so I'll be cutting it like this. This will be more faster. Okay. So beautiful people, as you can see, I've cut it, so I want to take it inside with oven. Okay, follow me, subscribe, like, share, comment, press the notification bell. Oh, thank you very much. With low heat. Okay, I will cover it with low heat. So beautiful people, I want to turn the chinchin. So as you see, the chinchin is getting ready. Okay. If I don't turn it like this, it will burn. So I want to take it back. So beautiful people, as you see, our chinchin is ready. This is nice. So beautiful people, this is homemade chinchin. Okay, we use oven. Okay, share this video with your family, your friend. Subscribe for more video like this. Okay, so thank you very much. Subscribe. You can hear the sound of the chicken. Subscribe. Mwah. Mwah.